Welcome back to Fix Me Master, where we simplify tech for you. Today we're exploring one of the most useful Windows shortcuts, Alt-Tab, for quickly switching between open apps. How to use Alt-Tab. If you have multiple applications open and need to move between them effortlessly, just hold down the Alt key and then press Tab once. This instantly switches to the last app you were using. But what if you have more than two apps open? No problem. Keep holding Alt and press Tab multiple times to cycle through all open windows. Release both keys when you land on the app you want to switch to. For even more control, try Alt-Shift-Tab to move backward through the open apps instead of forward. Why use Alt-Tab? This shortcut is a huge time saver, especially when multitasking. Instead of manually clicking through open windows, you can instantly jump between tasks, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. And that's how you can switch between open apps like a pro. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next one.